Hey traders, Andrew Keen from AlphaChart.com. I'm going to show you the little install video here. So this is the email you got, okay, and we see here Elliott Wave version 1, Elliott Wave version 2. So what I'm going to do is just click on it, okay, and when I click on it, it goes to the left, and you see what will happen. This will pop up, okay. Can't play. Don't worry, guys, your file is not corrupt, okay. Just do that, and then we'll go to file 2, the oscillator. Same thing. Downloads on the bottom left, okay? If I actually opened it, same thing. It would say, hey, this file is corrupt. I know it's not. Then what I do, okay, everybody's computer is different, but mine gets stored into downloads, okay? So here's your computer, right? If you guys don't know where it goes, you have to figure out where it goes. So the file got saved here, study 1 and study 2. So we have the Elliott Wave oscillator and wave 1, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here. Let's bring up like Snapchat. Okay. I'm going to click this thing. Snapchat, you piece of shit. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this little, it's like a measuring glass right here. So I click the measuring glass. I can get rid of everything if I wanted to. And then I'm going to search for what I just purchased, Elliott Wave. Okay. So here's Elliott Wave oscillator. So I'm going to add that. Actually, I think it's called AS. Let's go to AS. So AS. Oh, actually, sorry, I have to import it. Oh, see? AK got something wrong. So import. I'm going to go to downloads, guys. Okay, so here's my downloads. Okay, and I downloaded Elliott Wave. Double click. There's one of them. Back to downloads. Elliott Wave, double click. Okay, so now they're in here. You see these in here, guys. So you can't search for them until they're imported. So now you have them imported. You can add 1, you can add 2. Okay, it will go to exactly where it is. Hit apply, okay. And I should probably go to 1 that makes more sense. So let me go to like Apple. And here is your indicator. So here's your Elliott Wave. We have the bottom here that Paul talked about here. So it's Apple is in. So you see all these things here. You have the colors here on the top. And if any questions about these, email Paul because he's the one that came up with all the specs on it. I did not come up with the specs. So we see it here with these colors. I think it's in wave 3. And then we have the oscillator here on the bottom on the green and the red. And then we see all this stuff over here as well. So that is your install video here. If you want to remove it for any reason, you can just remove it. So click the measuring glass and then you can remove it. Remember, guys, you have to import it first. Once it's imported, it's in here forever. Okay? So that's your install video. Thanks, traders.